Hello.
How you doing, boss?
Hi. Oof, hot. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Andres.
You're now.
So, is this one?
Yeah.
Alright, it's Camry, not Corolla.
No, it's Camry.
Alright, it's lock?
Yes, sir.
Alright. You lost it?
Yeah, I had it. I came here. My wife gave me my keys, and then after that, I don't know where it
You
went.
don't know where? Alright.
And I can't find it.
Alright, and the same key from here is the same for the ignition?
This push start.
It's a push start? Alright. When's the last time you moved your car?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
I moved it all day yesterday.
Alright. We're gonna first start the car. All good. And now lock the trunk.
Thank you, boss. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.